dal fry. So it's fairly dry. Got some lovely lentils in there, some lovely Indian spices. It's really, really good. It's healthy, it's vegetarian, and it's vegan. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's have a look at what we have here. Let's start with the dal. So I've got some red dal there, although it looks yellow. I'll explain in a moment. This is red lentils or masoor dal, whatever you call it. So when you get it, it's kind of red. When you cook it, it goes yellow. Now, so 2 cups of the dry dal. I just put it into water. It cooks in like 8-10 minutes. This cooks really quickly, this type of dal. 2 tomatoes. I've got 1 cup of onion. I've got a few fresh curry leaves. If you can get fresh curry leaves, they are amazing. If not, try and get dried. Some fresh cilantro or coriander. 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds. The same amount of cumin seeds. 2 teaspoons of what I call the big 4. Chilli, turmeric, cumin and coriander. A tablespoon of garlic ginger paste and fresh chilies. You can cut them small if you want. I'm going to put them in just like that, and the amounts up to you. We're going to start this off today. I'm going to be using some coconut oil, but if you wanted, you could use something different. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, comment and all that stuff, will you? So I've got my little pan here, got some oil in there, and like I say, I'm going for a coconut oil today. And we're just heating that up, and we're going to drop in 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds and 2 teaspoons of black mustard seeds. Let them do their thing in the oil just for a little bit. We're on just above a medium heat. They're going to infuse that oil. Don't skip this part, it's really important. Just a few seconds. We're then going to drop in the fresh curry leaves, which can be quite noisy. Let's have a look. Not too bad. Then we're going to go with 1 cup of onion, which I've sliced. You can chop it smaller if you want. Salt. Above medium heat, 2 to 3 minutes. Keep it moving. Fantastic. Coconut oil, curry leaves, really, what a beautiful combo. Okay, we're now going to add a tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. You can buy that in most stores depending on where you live in the world. We make our own because we use loads and loads of it, as I'm sure you might know. We're then going to drop in the fresh chilli. And like I say, I'm keeping mine whole, just, cut the nibs off. We're going to go with our couple of tomatoes. And we're now going to add the 2 teaspoons each of turmeric, chilli, coriander and cumin. Now if you wanted, you don't have all of those separate spices, well, first of all, I think you should get them, but yeah, you could put a curry powder in if you like, if you only have that available. Okay, we're going to go for about 4 or 5 minutes now. I really want to cook these tomatoes down. That's looking super fantastic. Right, we're now going to get in our dal, our cooked dal. So that's 2 cups of the dal, but once I cooked it, it swells up and it sort of turns into like 3 cups in volume once it's cooked. And again, stay on this vibrant heat, and let's fry this now for about another 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it moving. That's fabulous. We're done. We're just going to now add in the cilantro or coriander. And I didn't show you this earlier, but we're going to put a nice big pinch of garam masala in there. So this is a dal fry dry. Now, at the same stage, if you wanted, you could get some coconut milk in there, or even just water, thin it out and make a kind of regular wet dal. But yeah, we're keeping this fairly dry. But yeah, the choice is yours. That's it. Beautiful. Let me get that on a plate. By the way, check that for salt. You might want to add a little bit more salt. It's fine for me. And there you go. Job done. That is really beautiful, I think. I love that. I won't be eating mine with rice, although it is nice with rice if you mix it in. You can actually mix some of that in with rice. Delicious. I'm going to go for some bread. I'm a much more of a sort of a bread person as opposed to rice. The choice is yours, but that is wonderful. I hope you enjoy that. I'll see you soon. Keep safe. Keep well. Lots of love. Right, on the menu today, we're going to make an incredible potato salad, potato chickpea salad. I've got some lovely little bits in there. It's very simple. The pomegranate is divine. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, let's have a look at what we've got here then. So, roughly equal parts of chickpeas and potatoes. With the potatoes, I peeled them, I boiled them with a little bit of salt. And you can see they're pretty small. Kind of the same size as the chickpeas, I suppose. Now, I'm using chickpeas from a can. If you're going to use from a can, give them a really lovely wash in some cold water. A cup of grated carrot, a little bit of bell pepper. Here I've got some pomegranate, really delicious. Fresh mint, tiny amount of onion. And then I've got white vinegar and olive oil. I've got a really lovely quality extra virgin olive oil. And I'm using like a 3-to-1 in favour of the oil. 3 parts oil, 1 part of the vinegar. Salt and pepper, that's it. This is fabulous. So absolutely nothing to it. You can see I've got a mixing bowl with my chickpeas and my potatoes in. We're going to put in the pomegranate, which is fabulous in there. A little bit of bell pepper, a little bit of sweetness. The grated carrot. Tiny amount of chopped onion, and again you can really play around with the amounts of any of this if you want. The fresh mint, which I think is perfect in there. A little bit of white vinegar. You could be using lemon or lime juice if you want. That's about a tablespoon, and then about 3 tablespoons of a really nice quality olive oil. A little bit of seasoning of just salt and pepper. We're going to give that a mix, and this is done. Now, if you wanted, think about putting in some tomatoes, cucumbers, celery, anything you like. So easy, so delicious. And there you go, just really simple, fresh, clean and wonderful. Vegan, vegetarian, healthy. What more do you want? Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Please do check out our vegan channel. I need some help on that. We've just started it. Lots of love.